Hi, Arun here. Now, today I'm going to talk to you about how to set up your own global capability center in 90 days. Yes, that's correct. 90 days, you heard that. Now, a global capability center, in a nutshell, is a subsidiary company of your UK, US, Canadian, whatever you may be based, business or company set up in a remote location, such as India. Now, I set up my own global capability center a number of years ago, and that's proven to be a real success for my business. But now we've proven a model, and we've got a model where we can help you set up your own global capability center within 90 days in India. Now, but why would you want to do that? You may be wondering. Why would I want to do that? Mainly because you can find great talent, and those people can join your organization, and they can then support your business growth wherever you may be in the world. Now, India is full of young, talented people who are skilled in a whole range of skills, from accounting all the way through to AI to marketing. You name it, you've got people who can do that for you. So if you're looking to grow your business wherever you are in the world globally, you need to have talented people. That's the key to this whole business. It's the key to any business. You need talent. But sometimes if you're a small business or a startup, you're a medium-sized business, the affordability of talent for you in home markets such as the US or UK is unaffordable. So therefore, somewhere like India has so much great talent who can help you grow and develop your business. Now, to find those people can take time. To find those people can take effort. Obviously, you can hire people yourself directly from the UK, but you may not be compliant with Indian labor law. You may not be compliant with kind of tax laws. There's a whole range of things that can come into play, which can really cause a big headache. So the only way really to do this properly is to set up your own global capability center in India, okay, as a registered Indian company, which is a subsidiary of your UK company. And it's then that company that employs the local team members. But most importantly, those team members aren't sitting with a vendor company or sitting remotely as an offshore shoot of your business. They're actually part of your global business. And these people are part of your culture and they're part of your team. So how do we run it in my firm? So we have a subsidiary company of our UK company in India, Samera Professional Services Private Limited, long name. But most importantly, those team members are employed by the Indian company. But team members in the UK, India are always interacting with each other. We take team members from the UK to India. We bring team members from India to the UK. It's all part of one culture. But when you have it not part of your organization, let's say you're just doing some outsourcing or some offshoring, they're not really part of your company. The vendor can put the prices up. The vendor can alter terms and conditions. All of these things can come about. But when they're part of your organization, it's ultimately you have that control. And that is hugely valuable to your business. Hugely, hugely, hugely. If you want to do this, if you want to set up your own GCC, we can certainly help you do that within a period of 90 days. Of course, this is not one size fits all. This is about thinking strategically. Is this going to be the right thing for you? But more importantly, what roles can you within your organization perhaps set up and go into a GCC? So the first step of this process is ultimately to get a feasibility study done. Now, that's something we can certainly help you with by getting a feasibility study done for you, for your needs, for your particular kind of business. So that's the first step. From that feasibility, we can then decide, okay, what are the best options for you? Will it be that we set up a company for you in India that's a full subsidiary of yours, or will it be some type of JV, which eventually we transfer over to you, called like a BOT, a build, operate and transfer model? There are numerous models and numerous ways of doing this. But most importantly, the best thing for you is that there's such a big pool of great talent sitting out in India who are hungry, keen, have wonderful attitude, and who want to work for global companies. So if you want to grow your business, whether it's in the UK, US, Canada, Europe, Australia, wherever you may be, okay, you need those people. You want those people. And we can certainly help you build that GCC over a 90 period day and get you set up. Of course, we're not going to leave you after 90 days. We're going to be there holding your hand over the periods of month. And we can do it in 90 days. Sometimes it might take shorter time. Sometimes it may take longer, depending on who and what and where and you're trying to do these things. But honestly, this will be the best decision you make if you go down this route to set up your organization overseas with a global capability center. So, want to know more? Firstly, go to our website, sameraglobal.com. There's tons of information on that website, tons of free reports, videos, information you can gain. And if you want to know more, reach out, arrange a call with me or one of my team, and we'll be delighted to help you.